Yo traders, what's up? Welcome to this video. I'm Solix, and today this video is so important because I'm going to talk about liquidities and I'm going to teach you the whole thing, how to trade with them, how to find them, and what is my point of view about liquidities. So without wasting time, let's hit the chart. But before, if you can subscribe, leave a comment or like, this is everything for me. Thank you for your time, thank you for your eyes, and by the way, be careful about everything that you are hearing on social media. So let's chart. Okay, what is liquidities at all? Guys, for example, there is a area that too much potential in it, lot of liquidities, lots of money. Why? Because, for example, I am a market maker and I want to trade for $10 million. Okay, for example, $100 million. Okay, so I need to trade at a specific point. Why? Because I need to trade on somewhere that there is too many orders. For example, stop loss, TPs, buy stops, sell stops. So I need to, so I can feel my actually trades. Okay, I can feel my orders. That's why market makers are going to trade at specific points. Okay, for example, I am a market maker, I need to trade here because this area is a liquidity. So much things gonna happen here, so I can feel all of my trades, all of my money, and I can buy or I can sell here. That's why market makers are going to find such things or such areas. Okay, for example, price breaks this low. Okay, and then we can expect downtrend. Nah, this liquidity area is so important. Okay, market maker is going to say, okay, there is so much potential here, so much money, so I'm going to buy here, and then liquidity sweep here, and then boom, we can expect a uptrend. I'm not going to talk about this one so specifically because we have a special video about this one. We call it CP. You can go and watch this video. uh, 80% of my trades are about this one. For example, this is a CP. We are actually in a uptrend, and you can see this low took every order from this low, and this low took orders from this low too. So this area has no liquidities, and we can expect a good liquidity from below, and we can expect something like this. But if you want to be advanced on this one, you have to go and watch that video. Okay, what about this one? We have something that I call it BB or base box. Okay, why? For example, we gather liquidities from above and then a rejection, then a change of character, and then price just start to moving back up. And this high is going to be my entry point. But what about this one? This one is a little tricky. Why? For example, we have a liquidity here, okay, and this high didn't took it. Okay, so this high is a liquidity, or that liquidity from above is a very good actually area to find trades. Okay, for example, we can expect something like this, and then rejection, and then we can trade it. But let's go and find them one by one. Okay, let's find this one. Okay, look at this one. We are in a uptrend, that's obvious, and we have a range here. Yeah, you see highs and lows. Okay, price just came back, gathered liquidities. Why I don't care about this one? Because we are in a uptrend, we are not in a downtrend. So I'm going to find liquidities from above, from below. Okay, you can see this is a liquidity sweep, and then after that price just moved up. Let's find another. Oh, look at this one, I told you about this. Okay, this is a trending range, you can see it, but you see it didn't work. Okay, why? Because we are in a downtrend, so I'm going to expect something from high, and it didn't happen here, so I'm not going to trade with it. Okay, okay, look at this one. We have same highs here, you see, 1 2 3 4, and we have same lows here, actually something like this. Okay, this is a TR, and I'm going to expect something from above. Why? Because we are in a downtrend, so I'm going to take this as a liquidity sweep, and then boom, price just moved down. I'm going to show you something about CP. We have too many examples about CPs. Let me find it. Okay, look at this one. You see a sharp trend and a channel. By the way, if you don't know anything about trends, look, there is a link above my head. You can click on that and go learn everything about trends. So this is a sharp trend, then a channel, then a TR or training range. Okay, but look at this one. This is a CP. Why? Because this low took orders from this low, this low took orders from this low. You see here we have a range, and after that we can expect a good liquidity from below here. Okay, and then price just gathered liquidities and then boom, moved up. Okay, by the way, look at this one. It is so good. Why? Because look, this high, actually this high took orders from this one, this high took orders from this one, even this one, this one, this one. So the whole area, no money, no liquidities. But here, you see, liquidity sweep, and then after that, boom, a good situation to trade it. But look at this one. It is daily. You see, orders just moved into this one, moved into this one, this one, this one. So the whole area is nothing. Okay, but this low is going to be even this low. See, a sharp trend, and then this is happening. So this low took orders from this and this low. Okay, so this red line is my liquidity point. Boom, you see guys, liquidities are out, gathered, and then boom, price goes, price just went up. And let's go for the next example about BB. Okay, we have something like this. Okay, this is base box. This is a downtrend, and then we have a liquidities. This is base box. See, liquidity is gathered, and then price just moved down. Change of character here, or BOS breakout structure again, and this high is going to be a liquidity. And as you can see, liquidity is gathered, and then boom, a good situation to being seller. Okay, look at this one. This is a base box 2. Okay, this is a downtrend, and then we have something like this. Price just moved on and then gathered liquidities, and boom. So this base box or this BB did what it's supposed to do. And let's go to the next one. I told you this one is going to be a little tricky. Why? Because, for example, guys, this is a main high. Okay, this is a main high. Why? Because we are moving down from this high, you can see. But look, here we didn't gather liquidities, so this area is going to be more important. And then we moved on again, gathered liquidities, and then boom, we moved down. This high is main high, so that's why I'm going to trade with it. Look, I didn't trade with this one. I didn't trade with this one. Why I traded with this one? Because uh this high couldn't gather liquidities, so that's why this high is going to be so important. Okay, even this one, it's not a good example, but look at this one. We have a liquidity here, but this high or this shadow here couldn't reach it. Okay, so the next leg and the next move just gathered liquidities, and then boom, a good downtrend started from here. Or I find another base box. Okay, look, this is a base box for me, and you see price moved down and then tried to back up, couldn't reach it. Another change of character, another breakout structure, price moved up, gathered liquidities, and boom. Okay guys, this is it. Thank you for your time. By the way, go and take back tests. For being successful in everything, you have to practice a lot. You can gain money or earn money right now with these things. You have to practice, you have to master it, and then you have to elevate it. Then boom, you can gain. Thank you for your time. Love you all. Peace out.